There's something about a quiet morning, a cup of coffee, and something homemade baking in the oven. And today, I'm making my husband what I think might be the best blueberry muffins. Now, these aren't one of my typical healthy recipes, but I wanted to share them with you because there's something I think is worth remembering. So many of the things we routinely buy at the grocery store are actually very easy to make at home. And when you make them yourselves, you get to control what goes into them. You can make them exactly the way you like them, and you may be surprised at how much money you can save. And these muffins have two little tricks that I think take them from good to absolutely delicious. The first is brown butter. Oh my gosh, you guys, instead of simply melting that butter, I'm going to let it cook until the milk solids turn this beautiful golden brown and it develops that incredibly nutty, almost caramel-like flavor. This is one of those little extra steps that takes a few minutes, but the flavor it adds is absolutely worth it. And then the brown sugar. And this is another thing I love about making things from scratch. If you don't have brown sugar, you can actually make your own. I'm combining regular white sugar with molasses, and that's it. You have brown sugar. It's such a simple little kitchen trick, and once you know how easy it is, you'll wonder why you don't make it yourself. Now I'm bringing everything together, and of course we're going to add plenty of blueberries. I love recipes like this because they're not complicated. There are no fancy techniques, and you don't need a long list of unusual ingredients. It's just good, simple baking, and sometimes it's exactly what we're looking for. And don't forget that fresh lemon zest. Lemon just has this way of brightening the flavor of your recipes. Now that this batter is prepared, into the muffin pan they go, and then it's time for the oven to do its thing. So no, this isn't my typical high protein or healthy aging recipe. It's simply a reminder that we can make so many of the foods we buy at the store right in our own kitchens. We control the ingredients, we control the cost, and sometimes we can make something even better than what we would have bought. And for me, that's part of creating a home I want to live in. Slowing down, making something with love, and enjoying a quiet morning with the people I love. And this is probably my favorite part of baking, the smell that starts filling the kitchen before you even see the finished product. Look at these golden brown, beautiful blueberries throughout. And that brown butter and that homemade brown sugar gives them such an incredible depth of flavor. And if you're wondering if they taste as good as they look, they absolutely do. So grab your coffee, enjoy your muffin, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, and thanks for joining us.